Today we're introducing a new product in our Defiant Wheels lineup. This is our Defiant DF04 wheel. So let's talk about the DF04. This wheel is engineered specifically to fit the 6-lug F-150 trucks. So that goes all the way back to 2004 to current models. It is a one-piece cast design with a 2,900 pound load rating, so you can beat them up and keep on going. We offer the DF04 in a satin gunmetal finish you see here and a satin black. And for sizes, we offer it in 17-inch with a 20-inch option coming soon. So if you're an F-150 owner and you're looking for the best bang for buck option to improve the overall appearance, handling, and performance of your truck, the DF04 is a great option. It's stylish, it's rugged, and it's engineered to perform. If you're interested in a set of wheels and tires, you can go to our site. You can check out some builds we've done with this wheel, or you can give our team a call. Our wheel and tire experts will help you pick out a tire package and we can ship it straight to your door.